for now. Oh, such a young open a video na so. I such a young found 7 years. Whom yes, how my drama better so. 7 years. Such a dear number na actual on our for Cassim. Me and also so. Near one ye, Epasa, video be a better time in movie. I bet phone also direct. I'm waiting me show your programs in na. Yeah, that was.
Yo, this your boy Honorable Punching. Keep watching V-Zone TV on your social media. If you go on social media, so research V-Zone TV on Instagram, Instamok, Bluetooth, YouTube, Twitter, everywhere. Twitter, baby, TikTok, baby. V-Zone TV is double, triple, wow for you.
What's up, my people? It's your boy Malcolm from Nigeria, and you're watching V-Zone. Don't change that station. Don't go nowhere. Me, I could say so.
Can somebody come on, baby? That I love and only, but now I don't worry, eh. If you don't count me, homie, yeah, go there. Hey, what's up? This is a boy now, ex coming the boss star. Charlie, keep it locked on your V-Zone TV. Eh, I'm sure your nature won't be at us. Keep it locked, eh. I'm sure your
Yo, what's up, Ghana? My name is Mebusem. Keep watching V-Zone TV. Wow.
What's up, Ghana? What's up, GH? This is your number one, the Seesaw King. I will Ghana, the Dancehall King. I will Ghana, aka Ghana Zacchaeus. Yo, make come for V-Zone TV and the amount. As I say, a channel be a Oshaswa, a su F in Cransha Sembo and DJ Sembo. What 1 hour home quadia? Would Yana say? Would better him V-Zone TV no share away Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, baby. Ya seho, Madam Wase.
Yes, we are man kwa Trump one. Because no I just so quiet. Yes, we are V-Zone TV. Enye H zone, enye Q zone, enye G zone, enye V zone. V-Zone TV obu akra zone bi ayoms.
Ashe for mosum famous slave queen, the original slave queen, the original konkonsa hima. Emi nkutina konkonsa nya ma register nyo. Emi mele mi nya adwuma biara. Konkonsa nyi ho a adwuma bi enyo. Obi aboa, adwuma bi aboa. Konkonsa nkutina adwuma within short period of time be make money trade e ka ko bi ho asem obi do bi na asem bro me ka na ages ka twitwiri dia na mu yeduru pa inyo aha 360 gossip ma amnyim e wo V-Zone TV do aha no konkonsa bia all style aha yenya bias yenya kakado momuado emi menya ba akusuro na imam bribe kura meje bribe kusan de skadi ne hu hia pa me wi still a wasem na me ba beka edimi kwa asem di bia so ya da mo wi nu inyo na make your debt and subscribe to your YouTube channel before I make concerned. In subscribe to your YouTube channel, Miss Roda Boko YouTube. Now I can subscribe on my if you are name near Domano. Video be able to be a notification will phone do. After you social media, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter. Baby biara your as V-Zone TV. But you must download the app no Google Play Store and App Store at two phone do. Any updates biana concern about to film biara na active. Make a 360 gossip. But more than a gem today as someone a bar ye beka. Na ye na ye. And I tweet and I pray. Ye nda Ghana ha musician kubu ha say oye de pa na ndwum ye de ndwum we raso mala meti papa na dem time na meti East Legon oba fam wo East Legon ye do oba fam wo oye ma me fo call fit East Legon na akwa aguna so edu me ko twa music video we taz ne po wa fam am ntem dem papa me twene nyi me hu kumpo music industry no oyo bi asabe ma atete do oyo ka prim ne tu ye din ye pa wo ka do obi ne tu ye din aye de ne tu body no ye din ne tirim ye din ona ngasa hwe music video ona na ndwum pa wa ababa abonten a ne ka prim sam ne net modin ontum twa quality music video oyin shatawale bonwuma we ntum ntwa music video sound shatawale oni mbe gino bi ne on completed build na asabe nkra man ne njiramo we gigeje wona yeso onyo mbo twa music video Hwana asem na papa ye sabe ihwe na nyima chide ka mokom anase abohwe na ebie Hey, never me fi hammer me pie pardon me blow your chere ma on into meeting free bia. In you one corner hate maker or better day one corner. Ma me ni fi one hometown to me kana sama me here pa papa wa bre na ndwuma wo wa asase do obrete tat. Na so 2019 nyame ya na adoma na ndwum bia oboe one corner. Oye so ye dro hen odi sa wa pakem e ma akofo a wo ba wo twetwentwe bi koya ma nyankopon oton super good masabe ne talent broi mi cannot sabe bia ba no wa aton apetihia ma ne moja nyina la aden apetihi na no wusu yo on the left and right me we evidence into Patapaa ba chere ma motum me do video bia na lotwe wusu me da pie Patapaa la sam na mi ke inyo ye na ye nyina papa de controversial nyum tofu na wo yo bi o ye controversial Patapaa fiwa ni yo bi na nyim nya fe nso ne o ka asam mfine no mu opie ogba no ma ne ba ndo ogbogu Patapaa obi ba ka de wa ye bi ade onye hwe sabi onyale hwe nye ono kuti no nyimpa mu ho na wetu ma fa he Charlie Slim Queen ye video na yam ne post na me trend at hey my first trend Patapaa oh no ono kuti me mbana asem do let me go straight to the story at hand me kwada me social media obi ale post Patapaa ona ne yili weja na maya wo Ghana he na Patapaa anhwe wanyim anhwe wo ho ba oblonyi na kwa aka fansa be Ghana fo bi wala na yino fo na oblonyi pete enyo Patapaa okowale when they wo in central fo bi wo busa na no small sabe bia ye aha na nanse na aba aboto gwada onye ni blonyi pete ne sabe wonyi ho biem na medema so tutu fam na according to sources na wala oblonyi o fake pregnancy o Patapaa no de onyi sin ina ona mbe Patapaa o kwa na o de one be 3 years na oba no mpie enyim se wa no na nanyim nye hwe o se Patapaa mo akata no da hye baby da menyim na sisi asema ba ba de gwan de oye Ghanaian blogger Zionfelix blog on na asamba on kan krofo on ho asamba no consider me ma asamba meka wo so de ba meka video bi appropriate bontia Zionfelix iyam de onye Patapaa na yirne na ina ne ho awaleja issue ya obomozo otu kwan o fly on pedo odimad konkonsem bulldozer otu kwanya o fly ko Germany na onye Patapaa ne yili kwa busa na no nsem about nsem about go afa wa awaleja ye ho Patapaa ho video no say hey ma men kan Patapaa emi me wone number ntim konkonsem me hu issue na me ba WhatsApp na me bohwe ne start nyama o da ato Patapaa la men kan chiro Zionfelix John Brog name how I spell it BROG John Brog Sabi excuse me fucking guy like this and you one now also obai I say or post on oya video Zionfelix na ye no video oya no Germany go now what's it called I say it's because of this guy I don't want to see my wife again. It's because of Zionfelix Patapaa doesn't want to see his wife again. He is the problem between I and my wife. Your mother, John Brog, you will not make it in this life. You have a wife, but still you love my wife. As a minimum, you me bana tofa na chere Zionfelix try Patapaa na ilbro pete wa chishapo. Why you so hunsa home adwuma bi am the Patapaa or casa because of evidence. Also Zionfelix say you will never make it in life. But stand on am wo drinking so anye na yili beja ya hweja. No asanso abotro ne start kwa na asanso botro. I don't want to talk now but it's time for me to take. Brofon le casa. I don't want to talk now but it's time for me to take. Everyone should be careful about this guy. This guy no yawana Zionfelix. Call himself a call himself a bragger. He's the one making problem in my life. It's Brian Zionfelix, baby, I will be on patch up. Ja Patapaa na asum dreambro fi. Me bone tofa. Oya Zionfelix, onye Patapaa na yel hihye ho. Mo na mdoma awalija aba. Mo man go hwe video as Zionfelix onye Patapaa na yel ekoye wo Germany.
See who I got here, you know. See who I got here, you know.
I'm here with my brother.
Yeah, we are in Cologne, you know. I just came out. Yeah,
with
with Germany.
family,
Yeah. So yeah,
Going through a lot, eh? We're going through it. We are going through a lot. We're going through it. Me too. I'm just coming back from a lot. I'm coming back from a lot. So if you are going through a lot, you're going through it. Me said I'm just coming back. You see, I'm just coming back from a lot. You got it? If you don't got it, just forget about it.
If your video you must say the bunny behind said that I am the near them video in particular na Patapaa or can some. I am the way who be dada. In a video no and then I trade and it pains. Must say well so tap on China or you were able to pull the Bolibiala or one mundata or the actual gun after the Zionfelix in the morning or brewy pattern. Why jail? It's bra was so one, but more than that's what the honey jump for 4 hours. Yeah, you should show me so you know color. Ain't a conquest so bad that onion. Patapaa all Zionfelix or any yellowish homer or namdruma. Where on any yellow giant Zionfelix or Yaza Sabi, only you are black no odds. Mother was say day is say one break and you make some I share 360 gossip right here on V-Zone TV. May Kai were there. Some more 2 minutes 360 gossip paper. No, I didn't do more crew one boy, another one sour this from us. Media iPhone for your quality and affordable music video shoots, wedding shoots, TV commercials, video editing, photo shoots, etc. Now, after Pervy Cake and Deco. IV Express Driving School so was a learning driving the right way. And I have family dog. What on ton wallpaper and I know home and Samina. In our boafra was a master the Memphis 360 gossip. And right here on V-Zone TV. My crown.
What will YouTube on our? What was actually a open a video na so? I actually a found 7 years. Who me as you how my drama na beda so. 7 years. Such a dear na bana ya show on. I will bro for casino. Me and so. Near one ye. Epasa video be a better time in movie. Ebe power phone so direct. I'm waiting me show your programs in na. Yeah, that was.
Yo, this your boy Honorable Punching. Keep watching V-Zone TV. V-Zone TV on your social media. If you go on social media, so research V-Zone TV. V-Zone TV on Instagram, Instamok, Bluetooth, YouTube, Twitter, Twitter, everywhere. Twitter, baby, TikTok, baby. V-Zone TV is double, triple, wow for you.
What's up, my people? It's your boy Malcolm from Nigeria, and you're watching V-Zone. Don't change that station. Don't go nowhere. Me, I could say so.
Can somebody come on, baby? That I love and only, but now I don't worry, eh. If you don't count me, homie, yeah, go there. Hey, what's up? This is a boy now, ex coming the boss star. Charlie, keep it locked on your V-Zone TV. Eh, I'm sure you're nature home. Keep it locked. Eh, I'm sure you're
Yeah, what's up, Ghana? My name is Mebusem. Keep watching V-Zone TV.
Wow.
What's up, Ghana? What's up, GH? This is your number one, the Seesaw King. I will Ghana, the Dancehall King. I will Ghana, aka Ghana Zacchaeus. Yo, make come for V-Zone TV and the amount. As I say, a channel be a Oshaswa, a su effect in Cransha Sembo and DJ Sembo. What 1 hour home quadia? Would Yana say? Would better him V-Zone TV. No washe. Share away Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Baby, ya seho. Madam say.
Yes, we are man kwa Trump one. Meka say no waje so kwa. Yes, we are V-Zone TV. Enye H zone, enye Q zone, enye G zone, enye V zone. V-Zone TV obu akra zone biya yo